Alrighty guys, and this is the MB server over here at Unity as well. Looks awesome, really does. Again, they have the live TV option here for you. The movie collections, new releases, movies, classic, movie binge watch, documentary, kids and teens, current TV show, canceled TV show, classic TV show, TV miniseries, sports live, sports replay, stand-up, fitness, audio, podcasts, recordings, movie trailers. Pretty awesome stuff I was watching here earlier. It's a live TV. I'm not going to press on anything, guys. I'm just going to do a quick glance over here. Things they do have on their server here for the Emby. Looks really awesome. Again, guys, I'll leave all information down below if you're interested in this part of the service as well. Okay, guys? Classic, latest movie binge watch, documentary on Trump. Nice selection. And I would say they would definitely have over a terabyte of stuff in here. Keep you definitely entertained, you and your family. All right, fitness. I love services offer fitness there for you. We always need to be in shape some type of way. All right, you got the audio books here for you, some podcasts, latest recordings. You got some trailers here for you too as well. So that is pretty awesome. All right. Again, guys, I'll leave all the information down below in the video description if you're interested in this part of the Unity family of content here. Okay. All right, guys. I'll be right back and show you the TV as well. Alrighty, guys. Again, shout out to Adam Hicks for letting me get an extended look at this UnityX-Tv. What it do, Adam? All right. Now, this is what it opens up and looks like here on the Smarties APK. And it looks pretty good. I didn't install the EPG. Oh, shame on me. Let's do that right now. Let's allow. We're downloading that. I did go in, I believe, and change the 24 to 12. That's what I normally do. I don't like the military time. I like to keep it at 12. That's just me. And I usually like to keep the guide as well. All right, there you go. Woo, 6,700 to choose from. Pay-per-view, NASCAR, UK, US Kids, US Movies, ESPN, Bleacher Report, Live, Religious Networks, 24/7. You even have a lot of 24/7 kids and adult content here for you as well. MB packages, Africa, Afghanistan, Australia, Armenia, Belgium. There you go, guys. For my overseas individuals, people who are looking for that content outside of UK, US, and Canada. There you go. There you go. There you go. So for everybody there, all right? And adult only. A lot of smut there. Ooh, a lot of smut. Ooh, Lord. I don't think they got enough lotion and tissue for that. But anyway. Ooh-wee. All righty there, guys. It's the EPG. Records. I don't mess with recordings. Let's see what they have in the catch-up here. What you got in the catch-up, Adam? What you got? What you got? What you got? Alrighty here, they have the 906. Wow, impressive. Okay, not bad at all. UK football clubs, Kids Network, US News Network. A lot of stuff here. US Canada Sports. So Nice selection of stuff here. Let's go to the UK Sports Networks and see how far they're going back. Let's go red button. No archive for that. Okay. So they're going back all the way to the 28th. Wow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. About 4 days. 4 days worth of content there for you guys. Not bad at all. Okay. So there you go. And it looks like if you don't see that little yellow line, content's not available. All right. So keep that in mind. Going back 4 days here for you. If you don't see that yellow line, oh, that was a lie. Okay. If you don't see the little yellow line, it's still there. It's a possibility. All right. So there you go. Goes back 4 days for you guys. Okay. So bear that in mind. Play with it. Sorry, Adam. Play with it. Alrighty, here's your catch-up section there for you guys. Going back 4 days. Not bad. Let's check out the series. Under 209. Okay, break it down for you. Got a little fitness here for you. Let's go to all. See what we have here. The power. It's Walking Dead. Let's go to Walking Dead. Episodes. Whoops. Nah, I want to go to season. Seasons. See if they caught up to see. Yes. Finally, somebody's caught up with me here. There you go. I think I'm an episode or 2 behind. So, but yeah, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I think I'm episode or 2 behind, but that's okay. All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right. I got my Walking Dead, so I'll be checking that out later. All right. Guys, you got to check out Preacher. That's crazy. It's great. It's great. It's I can't explain it. It's good. It's good. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff here. All right. Some new Windows stuff. Lucifer's about to be on Netflix. Luther, my wife and kids, King of the Hill. All right, a little something there for everybody. All right, new and old. 290 shows to choose from. All righty. Let's check out the movies. And there you go, over 1,700 recently viewed. Got a little 4K section here for you. Bollywood movies. All righty. All right. Do have the new releases? Urban, miscellaneous. No selection for the new releases. Okay. So let's go to all. See what we got. Start with that. And I got some Christmas stuff here for you. Bah Humbug. Okay. And they got a little of this, little of that. I wish they had a new release section here, so I can we'll see what they've been added to it, but that kind of sucks. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Wish they had that in there for you to look at. But I ain't complain too much. All right, UnityX. UnityX. Guys, tell me what you think about that. Here. I'll leave all the information down below for this UnityX subscription. Again, starting at about $20 a month for the service. I'll leave all instructions down below how you can get at this service and check it out for yourself in the video description. Please tell me what you think about this service, about the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, guys, keep on loving each other. And I will see you on the other side. and most importantly, happy streaming, okay, guys? Until next time, later.